Surprising benefits of eating just 2 cloves daily. Do you know that cloves were once worth more than diamonds? In today's video, we'll explore the amazing health benefits of cloves, a powerful natural remedy with antibacterial, antifungal, anti-candida, and antiviral properties. Yeah, you heard that right. Those little brown things your grandma always seems to have around? Turns out they're like the hidden superheroes of the spice rack. We're talking about the benefits of eating just 2 cloves a day. And trust me, after this video, you're gonna be running to the store like, give me all the cloves you've got. I'm about to unlock my inner health guru. But before you do that, make sure you stick around because I'm about to break it all down for you. We're talking immune system boosts, digestion domination, and even fresher breath. Get ready to be amazed. I've got visuals and everything. It's about to get lit. First up, let's talk about that immune system. Because, who doesn't want to be walking around feeling like an invincible superhero? Cloves are absolutely packed with antioxidants. And no, I don't mean the kind you find in fancy face cream, although cloves are pretty great for your skin too. I'm talking about the kind of antioxidants that fight off those nasty little free radicals in your body. You know, the troublemakers that try to mess you up and make you sick? Antioxidants are like, not today, Satan. They're basically the bodyguards of your cells, keeping everything running smoothly. And guess what? Cloves are like the Beyoncé of antioxidants. They're bringing it full force. So, popping just 2 cloves a day can help your body fight off infections, stay healthy, and keep you feeling your absolute best. It's like giving your immune system a little high five every single day. High five for health. Okay, let's be real for a second. We've all been there. You eat 1 too many slices of pizza and suddenly, your stomach is doing the Macarena. It's not cute. But don't worry, my friends, because cloves are here to save the day. Again. Cloves are like the ultimate wingman for your digestive system. They swoop in and help everything move along smoothly. How do they do it? Well, they increase the secretion of digestive enzymes. Yeah, I know, it sounds complicated, but trust me, it's a good thing. These enzymes are like little helpers that break down your food so your body can actually absorb all the good stuff. So if you're feeling a little backed up, or like you need a little digestive boost, chew on a clove or 2 after a meal. Your stomach will thank you. Inflammation is no joke, you guys. It's basically your body's way of saying, hey, something's not right. And while a little inflammation is normal, chronic inflammation, yeah, that's when things can get a little hairy. But don't worry, because cloves are here to put out the fire. They have these amazing anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm everything down and bring your body back to its happy place. It's like giving your inflammation a timeout. So whether you're dealing with achy joints, sore muscles, or just feeling a little inflamed in general, cloves can be your new best friend. They're like little ninjas, sneaking in and fighting inflammation wherever it hides. Okay, let's talk about breath, because nobody wants to be person with the, shall we say, less than fresh breath. And while there are tons of mints and gums out there promising to mask the funk, cloves are here to actually tackle the problem at its source. See, cloves have this amazing natural ability to kill the bacteria in your mouth that cause bad breath. It's like they're having a little dance party in there, and all the bad breath germs are getting kicked out. Plus, they leave your mouth feeling fresh and clean without that weird artificial aftertaste you get from some breath mints. So, next time you're feeling a little self-conscious about your breath, ditch the gum and pop a clove or 2 instead. Your breath will thank you, and your taste buds will be doing a happy dance. On the safe side. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 surprising benefits of eating just 2 cloves a day. Who knew those little brown spices were hiding so much power? I told you, you'd be running to the spice aisle after this video. But before you go, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried eating cloves before? What are some of your favorite ways to use them? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you learned something new today, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep on clovin'.